Guys, let's be honest. This thing of being an upcoming artist or being a rapper is a scam, bro. How come do I have 1.2 million streams and be still considered an upcoming artist? How's that supposed to make sense? By the way, I'm bathing, as I said on the last video. Bath. If you didn't bath, stop this video. Go bath. You will come back. I will wait for you. Hey, Baba, go bath. What's wrong with you? Hey, I caught you on camera, dog. Here's someone who don't want to bath. A whole grown-ass man who doesn't want to bath. And yeah, I got two phones like I'm Kevin Gates, nigga. This one is for them bitches, bro. You know, royal-ass upcoming rappers. And this one is for like the other bitch, dog. You know what I'm saying, dog. That's how we roll cool like that.
Don't lie. You see, don't lie on the public platform.
Sleep like that.
I got two.
I'm just, what's up everybody, welcome back to another channel. Today I don't know what we're gonna be making. Since you all enjoyed the last video, did you enjoy the last video? Am I lying, bro? Am I capping? You didn't like that? So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know what we're cooking today. As you can see, I got a horn dog. I don't know what it is. I'm thinking little baby type of shit, bro. So let's try something and see, Kuri. What's the come up, dog? As you can all see, I decided to sit down today. I'm tired. I've been standing up the whole day, like the whole fucking day. But we're gonna be cooking some little baby type shit before load shedding hits, dog. Load shedding hits in 50 minutes, dog. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, let's go. I want to add the piano. Not that piano, but the piano like a dark piano. Piano. A dark piano is something that I'm looking for. Yabona manje, hypersonic. You're not making sure, manje. I have to delete you and add you again. Guys, buy your plugins. Don't want this to happen to you. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm not. I am. You paid $50 for this plugin. Chill.
2 hours later.
This is nonsense. Okay, I feel this. See, I learned this trick. I don't know, Kuri, where I learned this from, but I have to apply it. Take everything, scratch it back up. Relax. Calm down. Whoa, calm down. Hear me out. You know what this is? Upper. Where am I? I want you to go tururu. You know that's how little baby raps. I need some more to tune.
I'm in the Bugatti racing, pacer, put him down, Jason, Draco.
Little baby fans are gonna come for me for that. Fuck you. Hey, whoa, it's just jokes.
It's just the jokes. Hey, man, it's just jokes.
Okay. You know the beat is sitting when I'm never mind. I was looking for the sound. The fuck. I forgot to tell you all to subscribe. Hey, subscribe, bro. I should have said it at the first, but I said it now. You got here. You're enjoying the video. Don't lie.
Don't lie.
Wait, I have to arrange the beat. I'm sorry. Before I dance, before I do this is my piano though. That's fine dog, but I have to arrange it first. My 808 is not making sure what is wrong with it. Red. I'm wearing a trousers on. You don't see here. Shut up. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell the girls about this, bro. You're gonna make me lose house. How? You know I have to add my tag. It's not my beat without my tag. And now for the final product. I made a little baby type beat. I'm still thinking about the name. I made a little baby type beat in 3 seconds. I made a beat for little baby, but you won't hear it. That sound, bro, I have a horn, but I made a beat for little baby, and you won't hear it. So I'm gonna give it to the baby, not the baby. I'm gonna give it to bad baby. I'm gonna give it to Nasty. Oh, can Nasty see rap on this? I'm gonna give it to my 500 subscriber dog. The 500% to the 500, but the person who will subscribe 500 is getting this beat. Let's listen to it.
Tyson, yeah.